Ravi Shastri reveals how he planned Jasprit Bumrah's debut in 2018. I will give you all that information. Uske baad, David Warner is hopeful of something before his test retirement. What is that? Well, stay tuned to today's video to find out. और सबसे अंत में, Michael Atherton has spoken about Joe Root's captaincy for the English side. What has he said? Well, stay tuned to today's episode of News Tracker with me, Nivedna Prabhu, to find out that as well. Hi everyone, I hope you're well and of course keeping safe. Welcome to News Tracker. This is the show where we keep you updated about everything happening in the world of cricket. But before I begin today's video, if you haven't liked, shared and subscribed to our channel as yet, I don't know what you're waiting for, so go ahead and hit that button quickly. And without wasting any more time, let's begin today's video. Think of India's bowling attack, and one name that definitely comes to mind is Jasprit Bumrah. Now, former Team India head coach Ravi Shastri has revealed that when Jasprit Bumrah was going to make his test debut, he had a particular plan, which was not at the end of the day to have Bumrah be unleashed in Indian conditions, but overseas. Now, of course, he went on to make his test debut in that South Africa tour in 2018, and it did not backfire by any means. So, what did Ravi say about that entire plan of Jasprit Bumrah's test debut? Well, let's find out. Now, Ravi said he knew I made Bharat Arun call him up and let him know that be ready. You might just get a call up. I spoke to Virat, spoke to the selectors. I said not in India. Don't even bring him into the 15 in India. Unleash him straight in South Africa and coming to Cape Town. Now that of course move turned out to be one of the best for Team India. But how do you all look at Bumrah's test career so far? What do you think of him as a player? He's of course been exceptional with the ball. But in terms of Ravi having revealed his plan as well, what do you all think? Definitely tell me in the comments below. Now, Australian batter David Warner has revealed that he plans to really do well on the tours of England and India before bidding adieu to Test cricket. Now, in which context has he said this and what has Warner said? Well, let's find out. Now, Warner said, we still haven't beaten India in India. That would be nice to do, and obviously England away. We had a drawn series in 2019, but hopefully if I manage to get that chance and opportunity, I might think about going back. Now, this of course is his statement about wanting to do really well before bidding adieu to Test cricket. But what do you think of Warner's statement about both these tours? Because at the end of the day, he has said that it would be interesting to beat India and India as well. What is your take? Give me that in the comments below. The Ashes is a high-profile event where everybody looks forward to England and of course Australia battling it out with one another. But if you see this particular Ashes, misery seems to be continuing for England because they went on to lose their third Test match in that 5-match Test series. Now, the Test skipper of England, Joe Root, of course, has been one of the most consistent performers. However, when you look at his counterparts, it's not been that great for them. Now, Michael Atherton has opined on Joe Root's captaincy, and he's gone on to say that probably Joe Root might not want to continue after the way England has been performing. But why does he think that? Let's find out. Now, Michael said, it is hard to see that Root will want to carry on after the end of this series. He has now failed in his quest for the Ashes on 3 occasions and has lost 7 out of 8 tests in Australia, more than any other England captain. The bruising experience of 4 years ago has been followed by what feels like an even more disastrous tour. There comes a point where a captain simply feels he has nothing more to give or offer, and that players would benefit from a change of voice as much as anything. Now, this of course is Michael's opinion. How do you all look at that? Do you think that Joe Root might take that decision, especially after such a disastrous tour of the Ashes? Definitely give me your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, with that, it's a wrap on this edition of the News Tracker. If you liked the video, you know what to do, right? Give it a big thumbs up. Follow all our social media channels, including our Telegram channel, because wahan pe you'll find some amazing match-winning combos as well as fantasy tips for your fantasy team, so you wouldn't want to miss out. My name is Nivedna Prabhu. I'll be back very soon to tell you what's happening in the world of cricket and get you exciting content from the world of cricket. But for that, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. And until I see you next time, take care of yourself, stay safe, and don't forget your mask. Bye-bye.